My name's Iolo Williams. I'm a naturalist really who has somehow or other stumbled across television and radio. To be made a fellow of Aberystwyth University is an honour and a privilege for me in particular, I think, because I fell out of love with education when I was in high school. I used to skive and I used to go bird nesting and fishing and catching snakes and everything. And then I fell back in love later on with it. And Aberystwyth was actually my first university of choice. I never made it. So to come back years later and to receive this really is an honour. If I was to give one piece of advice to graduates, more than anything else, enjoy life. Life is too short. So when you find work, make sure it's work that you enjoy doing. You're going to spend half your life at work. If you're miserable, then it'll affect the other half. So find something you enjoy.